Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. If you haven't been here before, sorry if it's a little echoey. I am in the bathroom because today I'm going to be filming a Get Unready with Me video. I am filming a little earlier. Hold on. I am filming just a little bit earlier because I would be so lazy to do this when I actually go to bed, which is probably like around 10-11. So I'm gonna just show you guys how I get ready for bed, get unready, take off all my makeup, wash my face, and all of that stuff. I already changed my work shirt into something more comfortable. And usually how I start getting unready is I'll take off my makeup with the makeup wipe. It's just the most convenient thing for me to do. I'm gonna wash my face afterwards anyways. When I'm super lazy, honestly, I would use the makeup wipe and then I would go to sleep. And I would leave like the residue of the makeup wipe on my skin and it would break me out. So I'll use the makeup wipe, take off all my makeup, especially if I know that I'm gonna wash my face after. So yep, this is all my makeup that I had on for the day, and I am just getting sick. So yeah, just wipe off all of your makeup. So I'm gonna try to upload once or twice a week. It's been a little difficult because I'm working way more. And when I was uploading twice a week, I didn't have a job at the time, so it was super easy. But I'm gonna do my best to get 1 or 2 videos up a week for you guys. So, as I've said before, please let me know what kind of videos you want to see. It's super helpful and just gives me more ideas. But let's take all this off. And the reason why I like to use a makeup wipe is because when I just wash my face with my cleanser, I have a lot of makeup still left on my face, especially if I was wearing a lot of makeup that day. So it just depends. Makeup wipes just make cleansing my face a lot easier, so. I might go to the gym after this, so have to wash my face again later. It's so hard to get home later on during the day because then you're tired and then I have to do a video and then the video is like not in the best lighting and then weekends fill up super quick. So I'm gonna really try to make a schedule out some videos for next week. So this is the first step before I go to bed. And I don't know if you guys want to see it. This is all the nasty stuff that was on my face. Now I'm gonna go over to the sink and I'm gonna wash my face, cleanse my face. Cleanser, I'm using the Louis Henriksen Face the Truth gel cleanser. That's a funny name, Face the Truth. This guy. And we're gonna hop over to the sink. This is like a lot harder than it looks. So I'm in my dad's bathroom because because my bathroom actually has a really loud fan and this one doesn't, so it's easier to film here. Okay, perfect. Blend. Well, I have mascara. So, cleansing the face was so difficult to film. So through my eye. Did I press record? I think I did, huh? Okay. Oh, pat your face dry. Like that. Okay. Alright, so I just washed my face. I'm gonna take a cotton round and tone my face. So what I'm gonna use, talked about this in my skincare video, it's the Thayer's Witch Hazel, and this is the one in Cucumber. So I take a good amount of this just on a regular cotton pad. Put some on there. And ooh, let's see if I can, this is the cotton pad before. Let's see if I can get any excess oil or dirt out of my skin. So I go kind of aggressive with this stuff. Really rubbing it in. And here is the extra dirt. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. This is like the extra dirt that I got on my skin. I don't know if you guys, I don't know if you guys can see it or not. So I'm gonna take my hair down. So I talked about this product in my skincare video, and I told you guys I wanted to try it out first and then let you guys know how I liked it. This is the Pixie Overnight Glow Serum. And it says it's a concentrated exfoliating gel, and I really love this stuff. I notice a difference when I use this rather than, oh, I look tired, girl. I notice when I use this instead of just my moisturizer. This absorbs into your skin, and the next morning you wake up and your face just feels plump, moisturized, not as textured, and it's the weirdest thing. I've never used something that had, what's the ingredient that was in this? I think it was glycolic acid or something like that, and I never used something that had that in it. I feel like that ingredient is really strong. Yeah, I really like this stuff, so I'm gonna put on a little bit. You can do probably like 2 drops of this stuff. I'm only gonna do 1 because I still, you know, I'm not gonna go to bed right away. So just to show you guys, it's like this. It's a really jelly consistency. I love this for especially my cheek area, my forehead. I actually wore this stuff, and the next morning I went to church with my friend Abby, and I told her I was using that product and everything. And she was like, yeah, actually your skin doesn't look as textured as it does when you have foundation on. So, you know, even she saw the difference, and that was only after like 1 or 2 uses. But yeah, it gives like a nice, oh, my hair is sticking to it. This gives your skin a nice feel. Lastly, moisturize. Always moisturize before you go to bed. Using the moisturizer that I love. It's this one, Lineage. And we're gonna dot that everywhere. And blend. I hate, like, I'm so stingy with my moisturizer. I'm like, this is expensive. I don't have enough product to be blending that all over my skin. I mean, all over my neck. But gosh, I love fresh skin. It just feels so good after having makeup on all day. I love coming home and just taking off my makeup. Also, usually I like to take my showers at night because I'll go to the gym in the evening time, come back, and then I'll shower. So my hair could be fresh the next day. I usually do all my face washing and that kind of stuff in the shower, but since that is just not easy to film, I just want to show you guys basically what I do. But I usually do shower before I go to bed. And now I think I'm gonna just go hang out in my room, chill, upload this video actually to my computer and start editing it, because I really want to try to get this video up by tomorrow. Today is Tuesday. Today's Tuesday already. I swear the weeks are flying by so quickly. Yeah guys, so that's basically everything I do when I'm getting unready, when I'm just ready to go to bed, ready to chill and not do anything. This is what I do. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to keep updated with all of my newest videos. I'll have more for you guys next week. So yeah, bye.